Kutaka te toki, kutai mai te rā kia tāpaia e ngā kauniira e wā o Taranaki o rātou maere maitai.
What we are seeing is there is an opportunity for us. It should be to strengthen local democracy, not weaken it. And I think with such a short time frame, we are at real risk of losing our local communities' voices.
Ko Dinnie Moeahu tēti o ngā kai kauniira wāri Māori tokorua kei runga I te kauniira āro e o ngā motu, e no o tō tara wā I rua ana ki te wakaau nei a te kāwanatanga.
What I don't agree with is the short time frame. There can be arguments that because they're wanting to focus on efficiencies, yet they've provided no data of what that looks like. We have an example with the Auckland City Council in terms of their amalgamations and the pros and cons that came through that.
We in the South are very aware that we don't have the numbers. We are very aware that representation under a one unitary model could absolutely deny us our voice.
Ko te tono, ka tāpaia e te kauniira āro e o Taranaki ki te tonga, e ai kia kai kauniira Cheryl Luke-Maraki, kia waka kotai I a rātou ko te kauniira o Wakaurangi.
As a community, it is very worrying. There are so many layers that have to be unpacked, and we're not sure what they're going to look like. And if anybody remembers what happened in the last reform, it will probably be similar to that. And that took at least 10 years to unpack. 30 years down the track, we're going to do it again.
Ko te nuinga o te apori, e ana kia tiakina te reo o te apori o Wakaurangi I roto I ngā panonitanga, kaua kia tāmi ki tēti I kauniira nunui.
What we do know is that they want to save money. That's what we do know. How they're going to do it, we're not sure. Our hope is that our proposal that goes through will be accepted and then we can start to work from there. If not, then we wait to see what the government has planned for us.
There are things that are statutory that we must comply with, but then it provides the opportunity to how do we constitutionally transform the local government sector to entrench or embed Māori representation moving forward. And I think that's a beautiful opportunity that we have here in Taranaki.
E rere ana ngā kōrero, kia waka kotai ngā kauniira e toru o Taranaki roe, kia toitu ko tētei. He waka au nā te kāwanatanga, kia tiro ki ngā uringa maitai. He oi, ko tā ngā kai kauniira o ngā wāri Māori o te roe, peange katāmi I te reo o ngai Māori.
For us in South Taranaki, for Te Taitonga, we want to work to what's the best solution for our whānau and for our hapori. We've had a survey recently which was resounding in the fact that our community does not want one unitary.
Taranaki Regional Council, they won't be around again, but they have treaty settlement obligations that they must adhere to. So how does that transition into this new kind of construct of local government?
Kua tea aku au katea e te kāwanatanga te wā ki ngā kauniira katoa o te motu, te uri kā a rātou I mua o te wakaau a te kāwanatanga, kia waka kotai ai ngā kauniira. Te raunatanga Wakara, Taiuru News.